What's the meaning of acquainted? Acquainted. 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 The word acquainted means to be familiar or knowledgeable about something or someone. It is often used to describe a situation where two people have met or know each other, but are not necessarily close friends. The result of being acquainted with someone is a level of familiarity and recognition, which may lead to a friendly relationship or simply a cordial acquaintance. Similarly, being acquainted with a subject matter or skill means having a basic understanding or knowledge of it, though not necessarily being an expert. Overall, being acquainted implies a level of familiarity without necessarily being deeply involved or invested.